Hello and welcome to my kitchen. It's Fruit Milkshakes Festival here in my kitchen. Want to join in the party? Come on, let's beat the heat with these cool shakes. Are you a new visitor? Do consider subscribing for interesting and easy recipes. I have here some ripe mango that has been chopped up. I'll add in some superfine sugar and just blend it up. Mango pulp. Add in some chilled milk. That should be really thick. I'm using a mason jar. You could use a tall glass. Add in some of this thick mango milk shake or pulp right at the bottom. We need strawberry jam or strawberry preserve, whatever you have at home. You could also use raspberry preserve or raspberry jam here. Add in a bit of chilled milk. Just look at that pretty pink color. I just love it. Once that has mixed well, add in a bit more milk. And blend it again. Have you subscribed to my channel already? That looks nice and pretty pink. Let's get in the jar. We need to top it with the strawberry. So I'll use the back of my spoon so that the strawberry shake falls in gently. Just a bit of strawberry pulp on top. So we'll keep it in the fridge and serve it chilled. For the next one, I'm using the leftover mango shake. I'll just add in some milk and some mint leaves. Make sure to wash them well. So I'll just roughly tear them with my fingers so that they release their flavor. Add it into the pot. So just adjust the consistency that you want. You want it thinner, add more milk. I've just added a few thinly sliced mango pieces into a bottle and line them up using a brush. So you can adjust where you want it to be by a brush. Make sure that you don't use the brush for any other purpose other than cooking. Once the bottle is filled, just see how pretty that looks. Let me add in the finishing touches. Add in a few mint leaves. Put in a straw. And that's ready to be had. We need some chopped ripe bananas, strawberry jam or preserve, honey or maple syrup, a bit of milk, and we'll blend it. Milk and a tablespoon of chia seeds. Mix it up. That's done. I'll serve this one in a bottle. I've just added a bit of strawberry preserve right at the bottom. And I have a few sliced bananas. So just make sure to stick it. There they are. Pour it slowly in a steady stream. Can you see the banana slices there? And also a bit of the strawberry preserve right at the bottom. That will go into the fridge until it's time to serve. For this one, we need slices of banana, mint leaves. Tear them with your fingers to release the aroma. Add it to the banana, superfine sugar, some milk, a tablespoon of chia seeds. I just love them. And we'll blend it. Added more milk. Mix it up. That's done. I'll use a mason jar to serve this one. I'll add in some ganache. Right at the bottom. I've melted it. You can find the recipe from the link above. Pour in the banana milkshake. If you like the recipe, do click the like button and share it with your friends. That looks lovely, doesn't it? Drizzle some ganache on top to finish it off. Oh wow! Mango mint, mango strawberry, banana strawberry or banana mint chocolate. Spoiled for choice today? Go ahead, take your pick and enjoy. Remember to click the bell icon when you subscribe.